Okay, we have question 4. Well, let's put each one of them as our given. All right, so let's set up the givens first. So those are our 2 givens. We put them in the bubble. We write the word given for them because those are our givens. Okay. Anything that we can mark? Well, we have that angle. We also have L is the midpoint of LM. Ooh, look, I can also get vertical angles. So I can get angle MLP is congruent to angle KLJ. And this is by vertical angles, right? The midpoint one does give you ML is congruent to LK. And this is definition of midpoint. So we have our angle, we have our side, and we have another angle here. So this is angle, side, angle. So triangle JKL is congruent to triangle PML. And that is by the statement of ASA.